When we want to find the mean, median, max, min, standard deviation, etc. of a large set of data, we may find it easier to use something like Excel rather than having to do all this by hand. So to use Excel, we can just highlight all this data, right-click and copy, open Excel, right-click on this first box, paste the data. And then we want to find the mean, median, max, min, and standard deviation. So we'll click on this box next to the mean, type in equals average, since that's how we find the mean. Notice there's lots of different options for things we can calculate here. Parentheses, we want to insert the data that we want to find the average for, so we have to highlight this data. Notice it says data from box A1 to box G10, which is this box here. Close parentheses, hit enter, gives us the mean or average for the data. For the median, we type equals, type in median, parentheses, highlight the data, close parentheses, hit enter. For the max, type equals. Notice if we just type in M, we get a lot of different options. Everything that starts with an M for things that we can calculate. So there's a lot of things you can calculate with Excel this way. We want to find the max, so we'll type in max, parentheses, highlight the data, close parentheses, hit enter. For the min, equals, type in min, parentheses, highlight the data, close parentheses, hit enter. So there's the minimum of all the data values. For standard deviation, we type in ST for standard deviation, and notice that there's a lot of different options for finding standard deviation. We want the population standard deviation. That's the standard deviation we're learning about in this course. So we type stdev.p, parentheses, highlight the data, close parentheses, hit enter. So we get our standard deviation, and we can check these with our problem. So the mean was 75.85, which is about what we got here if we round it. Median should be about 76.8. 76.8. Max should be 93.6, which is what we got. Min should be 59.5. That's what we got. And the standard deviation, 8.126. So if we round this, we get 8.126.